Feeling like Windows 11 is running slower than it should? Bloatware and unnecessary background apps might be the culprit. Stick around as we show you how to debloat Windows 11 step by step and reclaim that smooth, snappy performance your PC deserves. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are showing how you can debloat Windows 11. Let's get started. A.Manual Debloating. Manual debloating involves using built-in Windows settings and tools to remove unwanted applications, disable unnecessary features, and adjust privacy settings. Method 1. Uninstall unused apps. Here is how to uninstall unused apps. Right-click the Start button and select Settings, then select Apps, then Install Apps. Browse the list for apps you don't use, for example, manufacturer bloatware, games like Candy Crush, or pre-installed Microsoft apps you don't need. Click the three-dot menu next to the app and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Method 2. Manage startup apps. Managing startup apps is a way to debloat Windows as it can improve startup speed and overall system performance by disabling unnecessary applications from running automatically. Here is how to do that. Right-click the Start button and select Settings, then Apps, then Startup. Toggle off the switch next to any apps you don't want to run automatically when your PC boots up. This significantly improves boot time. Method 3. Disable unnecessary features. Go to Settings, then select System, then Notifications, then Additional Settings, and uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. Next, from Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Then select Diagnostics and Feedback, then disable settings such as Send Optional Diagnostic Data to limit data sharing. For a performance boost on a slower PC, go to Settings, then select Accessibility, then Visual Effects, and toggle off Animation Effects and Transparency Effects. To free up disk space, you can use Storage Sense by going to Settings, then System, then Storage, and enabling the feature to automatically remove temporary files. You can also run a manual cleanup via Cleanup Recommendations in the same menu. B. Using third-party tools. For a more comprehensive and automated approach, advanced users can use trusted open-source PowerShell scripts or dedicated tools. Always create a system restore point or a full backup before using these tools, as they can sometimes cause unintended system issues. Before running any third-party script, it is highly recommended to create a system restore point or a full backup of your PC in case something goes wrong. You can use the tool via a simple PowerShell command or by manually downloading the script. The quick method is generally easiest. Open PowerShell as administrator. To do that, press the Start button, type PowerShell, right-click on the result and select Run as administrator, or you can right-click on Windows Start and select Terminal. Accept the USE prompt, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Copy and paste the following command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Use code with caution. The script will automatically download and present you with a menu of options. The main options are 1. Default mode. This applies the recommended changes for most users, including removing common bloatware and disabling telemetry. 2. Custom mode. This mode gives you granular control to select exactly which apps and features you want to remove or disable. This is recommended for advanced users. 3. App removal mode. It focuses solely on uninstalling pre-installed applications without making other system tweaks. After the script finishes applying changes, it may be necessary to restart your computer for all changes to take effect. Win11 Debloat is completely free and open source, meaning its code is publicly available for review on GitHub, which is a major factor in its trustworthiness. The tool creates an undo folder with registry files to help you revert specific tweaks if you accidentally disable something you need. You can customize various aspects from disabling AI features like Copilot to restoring the old Windows context menu. And that's it. Your Windows 11 should now feel lighter, faster, and free from all that unwanted clutter. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Still facing issues or found a different debloat method that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's share knowledge and keep the Windows community strong. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.